Hey guys, in this video we're going to see how you can mine Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency using your own computer free of charge. All you have to do is go on cryptex.com. The link will be in the description. You download their program. You're going to simply install it. After you install it, it will ask you to run a benchmark so that it can test your hardware, and after that's done you will be prompted with this window. Well, not exactly this window because this is the pro mode. You will have by default this one, and you can choose over here. You have a few options. For example, you can start with Windows and you can choose if you want to use your CPU or not. The CPU is the processor, so my processor is this one over here. It's an i5. You can also choose to use the light mode or the full mode while you're using the computer. So if you go with the full mode, it will use all the resources it can from your computer. You can also check over here the pro mode, and it will bring you to this more advanced interface of the program. From here you can select which hardware you want to use or leave aside, and to start mining you just have to press on this button over here and it will already start mining for you. Now you can see here you have some informations about your hardware. For example, the fan speed, the usage, now it's going low because I turned the miner off, and the power usage, and also of course the temperature, which you have to keep in mind. If it goes too high, it means you might have a problem with your hardware, in this case the video card, and in that case you should consider changing that cooling path on it. After you mine and you have some money into your account, you will go to their webpage where you can request a payment. So here you can request to get it in Bitcoin regardless of what cryptocurrency it generated, because this app will automatically mine not random, but all kinds of cryptocurrencies. So you will not get paid in every single one. You will get paid their value, which is going to be their value in Bitcoin. So after you have enough, you can just select the amount you want to withdraw into your account, and you can use a whole bunch of methods over here, including sending it to your MasterCard or Visa, or straight to the bank, or using UnionPay. It's basically super convenient in every single way. You can also use a different method to mine cryptocurrency, which is going to be the mining pools. So here you have the Cryptex mining pool, where you can choose which cryptocurrency you would like to mine. For example, if you choose this one, you can see everyone have a 1% fee, and you just go to start mining. If you scroll down, you will see a few informations about how the miner will work, and this method over here will send the Ethereum, in this case, straight into your wallet. And this wallet can be a bunch of wallets, it doesn't matter really. You can use their recommendations over here, or you can choose any other wallet you like. All you need is your wallet ID, which you're going to put over here, and you're going to name your worker, which is going to be your computer in this case, whatever you like, for example my computer, and you will put here the wallet address, and you will get here, instead of this, you will get your address. So if you put here whatever your address is, you will get this code over here, and you can choose, for example, Gminer. After you put this data over here will be automatically changed, and you will copy this information, and you will go to Gminer. If you don't have Gminer installed, you can install it by clicking here. You can click on download and choose Windows or Linux depending on what operating system you use. So if you choose Windows, just download this one. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. After you download it, you can go there where you download it, you can extract the archive, and you will have this folder over here. So This is the main application, the main program. This is the miner itself, and these batch files are just simple files that it tells the miner what the server is going to mine and also your wallet where the crypto is going to send. So for example, if I chose the Ethereum Classic, I can right click on it and I can go to edit, which is going to open in Notepad, and I can replace this code over here with this code from Gminer that was generated here. So after I do this, I can just double click it. Sometimes you might want to consider running it as an administrator, but it works either way in my case. So you see, I just started the program and it's already starting to mine Ethereum, and it gives you certain information from time to time. For example, in this case it shows you the graphics card over here and the host where it is connected. If you want to close this miner, you can just simply press Ctrl, Shift and C and it will close the miner, it will shut it down. And it asks here if I also want to terminate the beta job, which is the program itself, and I will press Y and enter to exit, and that's quite it. In this case, it will send the coins it generates directly into your wallet account, while in this case with their program, it will give you an estimate, it will give you a value in dollars, where you will choose to transfer that value into different coins from let me show you. Okay, so you can choose to get that amount in Bitcoin or Ethereum or money itself. So this one is a bit more convenient, let's say, for starters, but if you're a pro and you want crypto directly into your wallet, you should use a miner like this one. Don't forget, you also have the link in the description where you can join Cryptex and start mining using your own computer for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.